How to remove account on Xbox Series X, Series S and Xbox One. Well, if you have multiple accounts logged in on your Xbox Series, you may wish to remove or delete them. In order to do so, what you want to do is press the glowing button of your Xbox S or X controller. Scroll to the right until you reach to Profile and System. Click on Settings. Head over to the section of Account. Inside the settings of account, the option of Remove Account will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. It will show you all of the accounts that you are signed in. Click on any of the account that you want to remove or delete. Once you click on it, the option of Remove will be visible to you. Just click on Remove, and then your account will be removed from Xbox Series S or X, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to remove accounts on Xbox Series S or X. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for staying with us till the end.